W is equal to P del V. The unit of pressure is Newton per meter square and the unit of volume is meter cube. Subtract 3 minus 2. Subtract 3 minus 2, it will become Nm. N is for Newton, M is for meter. So the unit of work will become Newton meter. 1 Newton meter is always equal to 1 joule. So Newton meter and joule both are the unit of the work. Work is a path function. Next we can also explain this with an example. This pressure volume work with the chemical work. For example, consider this diagram in which this is a flask in which you put the calcium carbonate and HCl in this flask. Carbon dioxide will evolve. This carbon dioxide will go through this tube and will exert pressure over this piston. This is a piston which is free to move. When this carbon dioxide will exert pressure over this piston, it will move away from this out, and the volume of this occupied by the gas will increase from V1 to V2. So this V1 and V2 will become the final volume and V1 will be the initial volume. So del V is equal to, this will become del V is equal to V2 minus V1. So W is equal to minus P del V. Minus sign indicates that the work is done by the system. By the system means carbon dioxide is produced and this carbon dioxide will push the piston out. So this is known as the work is done by the system. So therefore, as we know that when work is done by the system, we will put the negative sign with it. Del V indicate the change in volume and P indicate the external pressure. In pressure volume work, pressure becomes the force and change in volume shows the distance. And next is the heat. It is the quantity of energy that flows the boundary of the system due to the difference in temperature between system and the surrounding. It means, as we know, that heat always moves from hotter body to colder body. If the system is at hot state, then it will move from the system to surrounding, and if surrounding is at the hot state, then heat will move from surrounding to the system. It is denoted by small q. It means it is a path function and we will indicate as small q. When heat is absorbed by the system, you will put positive sign with this q. It means heat absorbed indicates the endothermic reaction. And when heat is lost by the system, you will put minus sign with the q. It indicates exothermic reactions. Unit of heat are like the unit of work. The unit of heat is joule or calorie. You all know that 1 calorie is equal to 4.184 joule. Thank you, student. This is all about today's lecture.